General N.S. Raja Subramani assumed charge as India's third Chief of Defence Staff on May 31, 2026. He took over from General Anil Chauhan, who completed his tenure as the country's senior-most military officer a day earlier on May 30th. The appointment had been announced by the Ministry of Defence on May 9th. Like his predecessor, General Subramani returns to active service in a 4-star rank after retirement, making him the second officer to be recalled from civilian life to lead India's armed forces following the precedent General Chauhan set in 2022. Notably, all three men to have held the post, General Bipin Rawat, General Anil Chauhan, and now General Subramani, have been army officers, reflecting the predominantly land-based nature of India's security threats. Born on July 21, 1965, General Subramani is a decorated infantry officer with nearly 4 decades of service. A graduate of the National Defence Academy and the Indian Military Academy, he was commissioned into the 8th Battalion of the Garhwal Rifles on December 14, 1985. He is also a soldier scholar, an alumnus of the Joint Services Command and Staff College at Bracknell in the United Kingdom and the National Defence College in New Delhi, holding a master's degree from King's College London and an MPhil in Defence Studies from the University of Madras. Over his career, General Subramani served across India's most demanding theatres on both the China and Pakistan fronts, the breadth of experience widely cited as the reason for his selection. He commanded the 16 Garhwal Rifles during counter-insurgency operations in Assam under Operation Rhino, led the 168 Infantry Brigade in Jammu and Kashmir, and commanded the 17 Mountain Division in the central sector along the line of actual control. He went on to command the 2 Corps, the Indian Army's premier strike formation on the Western Front, before serving as Central Army Commander and then as the 47th Vice Chief of the Army Staff. After superannuating in July 2025, he was appointed Military Advisor to the National Security Council Secretariat, the same role from which General Chauhan had earlier risen to become CDS. The post of Chief of Defence Staff was created in December 2019. The CDS serves as the single-point military advisor to the Government of India and also functions as Secretary of the Department of Military Affairs. As future warfare becomes more integrated, swift and network-centric, coordination among the Army, Navy and Air Force becomes increasingly important. Positioned above the 3 service chiefs in matters of joint planning, the CDS is expected to optimize procurement, reduce duplication among the services, and streamline military processes. The CDS also acts as a military advisor to the Prime Minister on nuclear matters. The institution remains a work in progress, with much of its roadmap laid down by General Bipin Rawat before his death and carried forward by General Chauhan. The most significant task now inherited by General Subramani is the rollout of theaterization, the reorganization of India's forces into integrated, geography-based theater commands that bring all 3 services under unified command. On assuming charge, General Subramani outlined his guiding framework as JAI, Jointness, Atmanirbharta and Innovation, describing it as the cornerstone of the transformation he intends to drive across the armed forces. He also acknowledged the contributions of his predecessors, stating, "I express my sincere gratitude to the late General Bipin Rawat and General Anil Chauhan for their exemplary leadership and contribution in this journey." The objective, as it has been since 2020, remains the same: to make better use of India's military resources and improve operational effectiveness across all 3 services in war and in peace.